Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from MTH electric trains and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. MTH electric trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Gauge R50B Express Reefer Car in Railway Express Agency, Southern Pacific, Santa Fe, Delaware and Hudson, and 2 different Jersey Central schemes this fall. The cars will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in November 2024. The suggested retail price is $84.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC6000 diesel engine in Chessie System Heritage colors for MTH retailer Patrick's Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $549.99. Add some holiday excitement to your O-Gauge railroad with this O-Scale Rudolph's Christmas Shop building adorned with operating Christmas lights produced exclusively for Train World. The multicolored light strands are pre-assembled to the roofline and are pre-wired to the structure's interior lighting. Use any separately sold AC or DC power supply to operate the lights. The building will be available in extremely limited quantities and will be available for delivery beginning in October 2024. The early order price is $79.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC6000 diesel engine in Southern Pacific colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $539.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC6000 diesel engine decorated in unique colors celebrating West Virginia's famous Greenbrier Resort for Patrick's Trains. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $549.99. MTH will also be producing a special run of nickel plate road flat cars with Farmall pup trailers exclusively for Stockyard Express. The cars are expected to arrive in October 2024 with an early order price of $80.95 each. Bison Books has released the History of the Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway in paperback and Kindle editions. The book, originally released in hardcover format in 2020, is the first comprehensive history of the iconic Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railway from its birth in 1859 to its termination in 1996. This volume discusses the construction and operation of the railway, the strategies of its leaders, the evolution of its locomotive fleet, and its famed passenger service with partner Fred Harvey. The vast changes within the nation's railway system led to a merger with the Burlington Northern and the creation of BNSF Railway. See the video description for pricing and availability. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And as a programming note, from now through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode number 190 is scheduled for publishing on June 22, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New in O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with the new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week, and thanks for watching.